Hello there. This is my first virtual voiceover tutorial, hope you like it. First of all, select the lazy tool and increase the pixel radius to 70 pixels. Now pick up the base hair color and start brushing over it. Now create a new layer. Decrease the brush opacity to 50% and start brushing over the edges of hair only. Now pick up the first hair color. Decrease the brush opacity to around 25%. And change the brush to tapered for smoother finishes. Start brushing over the shadows of hair. With the second hair color, just brush over the first color, but not too much. With the third color, make the highlights of hair. Keep in mind that highlights should be lesser than the shadows. Now with the fourth color, decrease the brush size to 2 or 3, and create some shiny hairs. Thank you for watching.